In March, I went to visit our local wildlife-friendly community garden, the Abbey Physic Garden in Faversham. It had just had a redesign, and in March I could really see the bare bones of the garden. Now I'm revisiting in August to see how the design looks now that the plants have grown up, and what a change there is in just 5 months. It's Alexandra here from the Middlesized Garden, bringing you tips, ideas and inspiration for your garden. Several of you have asked me to do a video on design for wide gardens, and this garden is wide. It is square as much as it is wide, but the design principle of putting a seating area at the heart of a garden with the other garden areas around the central heart would also work really well in a wide garden. This is half an acre of garden, and it's an old walled garden right in the middle of town. Long ago it was part of Faversham Abbey, and since the 1580s it's been attached to the old Elizabethan grammar school, which leases it the land at a peppercorn rent, so it is a very ancient garden. The Abbey Physic aims to help people with physical and mental therapy through gardening, to offer training in horticulture and to be an organic retreat for people and wildlife. It's won lots of awards. The Abbey Physic Community Garden is largely gardened by volunteers, and it trials different kinds of sustainable gardening such as hugelkultur and forest gardening, and it shows off wildlife-friendly features such as dead hedges, which are layers of twigs and branches which slowly compost down. There are workshops on healthy eating and craft, and volunteers' work is sold in the little shop. In terms of design, 2 curved benches were set at its heart, right in the middle, with a winding path leading from the top to the bottom of the garden through the benches. One bench has a chamomile lawn in front of it, and the other is trialling a grass-free lawn made of wildflowers. Flowers, fruit and vegetables are grown side by side, which the pollinators love, and the air is always full of birdsong. If you want to visit or donate to the Abbey Physic Community Garden, there are links in the description below, and also to videos and posts with more about how to create a wildlife-friendly garden. If you've enjoyed this, do hit like, so I'll know you'd like to see more wildlife and community gardens. And if you haven't subscribed to the Middlesized Garden YouTube channel, we upload on Saturdays with tips, ideas and inspiration for your garden. So hope to see you again next Saturday. Thank you for watching.